dun, 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 dun. Jumping to victory. That maybe that's a piranha plant. Yeah. Oh gosh. Oh, these little shits. Eggs. Monkeys, no! Oh, you can't go in the water. Don't go in the water. Oh, I saw that shit up there! What is that shit up there? There's coins! No, fudge! Okay, regular coins, I guess, maybe. A big Yoshi Dino coin. Oh, and you can... Okay, okay. No, I meant to fudge all the way off. There's just a cinder block back there. Sure. Monkey! No! Oh. Oh, okay, we can climb vines. Okay. Hey, little shit. Wait, we missed our first flower? Heck. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, I forgot to put my costume back on! After that frickin' acorn level busted my legumes. No! Oh, I see you. I see you. You're rude. Ooh, that's a lot of coins. A lot of shiny boys. Wow! Oh, hello. You jerk. You jerk. He tried and trick me. You see that crap? Oh, mini egg. Ah! Get out of here. Oh, oh, bunny. Oh, that thing's got something in it. I'm a little worried. Monkey? Ha ha ha. Oh, that was a bad mistake! The worst idea of my life. Oh, this is gonna be a bad jump. Oh, I can go over. Ha ha ha. Ah! Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum, bum. Eggies! Can I have some eggs, please? Thank you for the eggs. I like eggs. Do, 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 do. Wahoo! You ever just wahoo when you're by yourself? Ah! There's like a jillion, million, billion monkeys. Hey, stop that. Secrets? Oh heck, you heck off. Secrets? Ah! Turn into a heart. Thank you. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, I gotta be careful here. Do they break it? I bet they do. I bet they do. Ooh! Did not mean to... You know what? It's fine. No one cares about those blocks. Oh, I care about some of these. Oh, that was a trick! That was a naughty... That was... Thank you. Oh, frick off, frick off, frick off, frick off, frick off, frick off. Frick off, frick off, frick off, frick off, frick off, frick off, frick off! Ah! Wasn't worried for a moment. Oh, shit. Oh, that was so big! That was cute. Oh, just that first one. Okay, I gotta put my costume back on, because I'm not very good at the game. Apparently. Well, here, we can buy new costumes here. 2 hundo? You want 2 hundo coin? Am I winning? I'm doing something. No, we didn't get a gold. Blue party ball. Red apple. Acorn owl. That one's cute. Go over that. Red pushcart. Yoshi. Alright, what's up? What's up? Some souvenirs. An organic mouse. Next to a bus stop. I know where that is, but I'm leaving. No, Poochie, I'm sorry, I'll be back. If only had 15 smiley flowers. Super swell. Hop. It's me when I do the thing. Oh, is this the end of this path? Acorn Forest and a giant party ball. That's an angry boy. Uh-oh. This is a new loading screen. There's more than meets the eye with this party ball. Maybe it's got a bunch of gems inside. I'm gonna bust it open and see. I need something to throw at it. Your awfulness, please wait. Don't mind me. I'm just a Yoshi Acorn Owl. You can just leave it be? Huh. Acorn guy. No! Seed pods. Yoshi broke open the ball himself. Yoshi, I'll have you know his grossness was looking forward to breaking that ball. Grr, you're gonna get smashed. My piranha plant will gobble you up and show you what's what. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. That's how plants are made. This is really cute though. Spike the piranha. Hey. Oh, hey. Oh! Oh, I understand. Yeah. Oh, he mad now. Don't get donkinated, son! Oh shit! I am simple acorn owl. No, I didn't mean. Capoeiro! We did it! It's Petey or Smilex. It's Spike! His name is Spike! Party ball, party ball. Gem ball, gem ball. Wow. Wow. Yoshi. There you go, Yoshi. Okay, bye, Yoshi. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, that's cute.